Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the app you are trying to install. Isn't Microsoft verified app on Windows 10 or Windows 11? Let's fix it guys. First go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select the system, on right side select activation, and in here you can able to see a option like yes mode. You just need to expand this yes mode option guys, and then select the open store option. After selecting the open store, this Microsoft Store page will open up with the switch out of S mode option. Select the get option and it will few minutes it will be loaded up. After getting loaded done, you just need to come back to settings and on left side select apps. On right side select advanced app settings. Choose where you to get apps. Click on the drop down and select anywhere option. And now just to close tab here and you can able to install any apps you want. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.